We all know an email list can be really helpful. When you have an email list, you can continually sell to them, bring them back to your website, and market products efficiently. The real problem isn't that you don't know that an email list is valuable, but the real question is, how do I build one? But don't worry, I'm going to teach you how to build an email list quickly and for free in this video. The very first thing you want to do is to give free value. Now, how can you find the free value to give? If you're a business or a marketer, you can give a free ebook that is related to your business or niche, and you can share them on different forums or Facebook groups and many other platforms like that. You can find these free ebooks on sites like FreeKLR Downloads. The best email marketing tool I'll always recommend for people without a lot of budget or just want something totally for free that actually works is Systeme.io or GetResponse to build the landing page where you can collect their email address and first name, which is a straightforward process. This tip can work for you with or without a website. So if you got value from this video, please hit the like and subscribe button for more daily content. See you in the next video.